Hey, this is Taylor Siebert with Striv, and I'm excited to announce our annual Striv U 2018 social media conference. We're going to be hosting it here in Lincoln in the Haymarket District in our office here down in the Barnyard, which is where we're at currently. We hosted our fall conference one day here, and it's just a great facility, and we are excited to be having 2 different days down here in Lincoln. We're going to have some great speakers with Ben Pankinen, who's joined us the last couple years. He's the CEO and co-founder of Social Assurance and Class Intercom, and Hunter Rodenslaven with Athlete Nation to share his story, how he's become a creator as a freshman at UNL with his Athlete Nation company, and so excited to have those guys share their story. And really, to kick things off, the day is going to be totally student driven with discussions, team building activities you're going to get out and create, and we're going to be talking about social media and what it means to be a creator instead of a consumer of content on social media. And hopefully you leave the day excited about how you can share your school story using social media when you go back to your school, and some really action items that you can take back to start creating content immediately if you aren't already. So there's going to be 2 days, 2 different options that you can choose: Tuesday, February 20 and Thursday, February 22nd. It's kind of a half-day workshop, and you can go anywhere for lunch down in the Haymarket. So we're excited. Hopefully you can join us. Sign up at the link below. We'll see you February 20th or 22nd. Thanks.